to apply lashes. How I've prepared the eye is I first curled my lashes and then took a soft black eyeliner and tight lined my eye. So right in here that has eyeliner. Also my lid has been prepared with primer, and my favorite is Anastasia's primer, and I just tap it in. So again, just to recap, curl your lashes, tight line your lashes, and put a primer on. That makes for removal of the lashes easy at night. I'm going to use two glues, both by Duo. Right? This one will go on the lash itself, and this one will go on my lid. And so they seal together. And then once I do that and it dries, I will create a seamless marking using a felt tip, and this is one of my favorite, Bodyology, let me see, On Point by Bodyography. Also love the little sex kitten, and it too has a very fine tip, and it's felt tip, and that little sex kitten is from Tarte. Again, my favorite lash is the Ardell Demi Wispies. Just gonna remove. What's key is that the glue is tacky on the lash. So in muscle memory, I'm gonna apply the glue on the lash first. And I picked this one because I like the silicone paddle. And I will run it along this soft edge of the lash. Just creating a nice beading. I don't know if you can see it. Oop. Make that adjustment. So I want this glue on first so it gets tacky. Then this is a brush. Make sure that the brush is wet. And then I'm going to apply it mid-lash. And always do the top. Bring it up from the bottom. And I'm laying in the glue, brushing it on where my lashes will attach. The lid has been prepared. There's that. Duo. And I'm just going to start on the outside edge. I have a little hair that's being brought. My fingers laying it in. Outside my tacky glue. I'm gonna use the camera. Let me do this in the mirror. 1 second. Sometimes your fingers do get in the way. Let's stick up a little bit. And I will take the end of a makeup brush, tap it onto the glue. This is a first time wear, so typically I don't use any mascara. I'll use my strips up to 3 times. Tomorrow and the third time I will use mascara. I'm just tapping it in. And now to create that seamlessness, felt. I'm just gonna lay in the felt tip, not drawing, just when you're with markers as a kid, just be on. Fill it in. I'm going to finish in the mirror because this keeps adjusting. I can't see. All right, and always keep a spoolie in hand. You can fold your own lashes into the artificial. And then you can see that difference. To open up the eye, just to recap, prepare your eye, own the eyelashes, tight line your lashes, use a primer so they're easy to come on and off to your glows. And ta-da! Thanks for watching. All of the details will be detailed at the bottom.